what the exhibitors will see when they're building out their booths is pretty straightforward, and you can easily create the booth from this page. So this is a step-by-step process. We've broken this down into multiple steps so that users can easily see all the content that's needed and fill it out. So the first step is adding the company name, uploading the company logo, maybe add a company description here. And once they do that, they can click on save and continue to move on to the next step. The next step is building out the booth graphic. So we have a bunch of different booth templates that they can pick from. So you can see which one you like, and then once you find one, let's say we want to use this layout, you click on this button to start customizing this booth. So one thing you can do is you can add graphics to each of these banner spaces here. So let's assume we want to add a picture here. I'll click on that, and it will ask you to upload an image for this banner. So let's find an image that we can use. I'll use the vFairs logo in this case. Once the image is uploaded, you'll notice that the image was too big to fit in that small banner space. So you have the option to zoom in and zoom out. So let's say I want to use it like this. I can also drag and drop this image to fit it better inside the banner. Maybe I want it at the top. And maybe for the background, I want to use a yellow color. And let's hit continue. After that, you have the option to specify a URL that the user should be taken to when somebody clicks on it. This is an optional field, but if I were to put a URL, it could look something like this. Click on save, and my first banner is ready. So you would do the same thing for all of the other banner spaces. One other thing you can do here is you can see the dimensions of the banner spaces if you wanted. So if you want to create your own graphics, you can use these sizes to create them. And also you can change the colors of the booth. So if I wanted to maybe use these different colors and customize it based on my brand colors, I could do that. Right. And once I'm done with all the banners, I would hit save and continue to go to the next step. The next step contains content links that show up below the booth. You can add as many as you want, and then move on to the next step, which is documents and videos. These documents and videos show up on the booth, so you can upload documents, and you can provide video links here as well. And going on to the next step, we can add other booth rep accounts. So if you want to have other people also manning that booth during the live day, you can add users, as many users as you need, create their username and passwords from the screen. And then once you're done, if you go to the last step, which will let you see a summary of the booth that you just built. So it'll show you how many accounts you created, how many documents and videos you've added, and then you can also have it sent out to yourself if you want to have the summary sent out to you. And that's it. So this is the booth setup process.